Make no mistake, girl, I still love you. Make no mistake.
Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name's Leah Renee. Please don't forget to show love by liking and subscribing. Click that bell so you can be notified when I post a new video. Alright ladies, so what we have here are some lashes from Minks Galore. Comes in a pretty purple package. I'll have their information in the description box below, but here's the package. These are the contents of the package. So you got lash care, how to remove them, things like that. You got a business card and flyer. And then you have your actual lashes. So it comes in this pretty packaging that is so pretty. So pretty. And then inside are your gorgeous lashes. Do you guys see that? Wow. So these are the Bad Kitty ones. I got these because I already have like really long curly eyelashes, so I didn't need anything like too dramatic. Wasn't going for the drama queen look, you know. But this is my initial review. They're soft to the touch. They look beautiful. And I'll include some pictures at the end of the video after I put them on.
These two wrongs are right, you. Believe it or not, I was too grown in high school. Believe it or not. The true soul of Ice Cube, too close to snipe you. Truth told, I like you. Too bold to type you. Too rich to fight you. Calm down, you nice.